Actually, ang plan natin is to have a quick life admin day. Hello friends! Happy New Year! It is January 1st today and I love having a clean slate. Right now, actually, ang plan natin is to have a quick life admin day. So, meron kasi akong ginawang to-do list before 2023 starts. But, December was crazy. And honestly, parang gusto ko lang chumil. Ang dami kasing mga ganap, di ba? Pag December. Tapos, may mga times na admittedly, chill. Pero, as in literal, gusto ko rin talagang chumil. So, I decided to be more gentle and be kinder to myself this time. Kasi usually dati, kapag Q4 or December, talagang rat-rat, talagang I need to make sure that the house is clean. I need to make sure na I finished my decluttering series. Honestly, for 2022, sobrang parang pagod lang, ganon. I'm not sure if that's just me, but I'm just being realistic here. Pero ayun nga, hindi ako nakapag-declutter, ang kalat ng bahay nung nag-New Year. But I realized na I can always try again. I can always do it again kahit January 1st na, kahit 2023 na. Honestly, okay lang yan. If you feel like you're being left behind kasi ang dami mong checklists for 2022 na hindi mo nagawa, maraming content na hindi na post, maraming vlogs na backlogs, okay lang yan. We are one and the same. I got you. So, actually, sa decluttering series ko, abangan nyo din yan. Decluttering ng clothes pa lang yung nagawa ko. Marami pa ako for digital, meron pa ako for tech, meron pa for skincare and makeup. So, that's still something I need to film. But that's okay. We are honoring our pace. This 2023, we are kinder to ourselves this 2023. So, that's what we are going to do. So, right now, honestly, ang real plan is to just chill before the work starts again. May pasok na kasi kami on January 3rd. Tapos, I have 2 more days to chill. So, right now, I am doing a bit of life admin. Yung ginawa kong checklist before for 2023 na hindi ginawa. So, I'll do a bit of that today. And ang totoong plano ay gusto lang namin maglaro ni Josh buong araw. Tsaka kasi babantayan ko din siya dahil maga ang tuhod ng lolo nyo. Kasi nagbasketball siya, tapos ewan ko, he hurt his knee. Ayun lang, alam nyo, chika ko lang din na ang bilis ko talaga ma-distract. Ayan, ang kalat-kalat pa ng kwarto. Ayan, pero okay lang yan. Ayun nga, honestly, sobrang na-proud ako sa sarili ko in fairness. Kasi the old me would have panicked. The old me would have broke down na hindi ko nagawa lahat ng checklist ko. I would have broke down na ang dami ko pang ang kalat ng bahay. But sabi ko sa sarili ko, you know what? I'll just choose an area na lilinisin ko just so I know I won't be overwhelmed. So, ang ginawa ko is I committed na kitchen I'll make sure na spotless siya. So, yung sink namin maayos. So, makalat pa rin pero may area sa bahay na maayos, which is the kitchen. So, ayun lang. Ang dami ko ng kwento pala. So, ayan, sige na, mag-life admin day na tayo. For this year, I'd also like to revisit my habits of segregating and donating plastics and cardboards. So, right now, gusto kong ipunin lahat ng bubble wraps, ng plastics, and yung mga karton natin para ma-donate natin siya. I'll also put links below kung saan nyo pwedeng ma-donate tong mga to. Lipat ko lang to here. This is what I use when I work out. Next is this one. I have the salted caramel, no, salted chocolate here. Ito yung favorite kong flavor nila. And okay rin kasi konti lang yung carbs and it has a lot of protein. Scooper here. Now, I am on my phone to schedule Bagnet's vet kasi usually nagpapa-vet kami part of the year. I will also message my dentist, our dentist, to have our teeth cleaned